Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 80-watt Bluetooth speaker. It has super rich bass. It has a 105 decibel sound, powerful portable wireless outdoor Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so today we have got our party speaker by W. King. This has super rich bass. It is bass up technology, 2 tweeters and 2 subwoofers. It has a light up effect with 6 different light colors. It has a huge 105 decibel sound. It is an LED party light. It's got AUX. The battery is 5200 milliamp extra bass. It uses a TF card, USB play, and it is truly wireless sound. So it has a 24-hour playtime, true wireless stereo. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. First off, in the box, you're going to see some accessories. This is a little box of accessories, which is your charging cable and your 3.5 millimeter headphone jacks. So this is your 3.5 millimeter cable. And then you get the Type-C charging wire. So this is the T9 2-party portable Bluetooth speaker with a built-in million-level product acoustics team from the W. King Acoustic Laboratory. It is combined with years of manufacturing technologies experiences in the industry. It has 2 4-inch woofers, 2 1.5-inch tweeters, built-in DSP technology. It has a powerful bass reflex, the digital design. The purpose is to prevent the good listening to penetrates the sound and touch people's ears. So right here is the user manual. This just tells you everything about the speaker, how to connect it, how to connect the Bluetooth, charging it, about the battery, how to store it. So right now we're going to get into the speaker itself. So this is super loud, although I did get to play it, you can't hear the justice of the bass. So you got a USB port, an AUX, and then you got the charging cable. Here at the top, you've got the power button, menu, light button. You've got the play, forward, back, and this is the volume button. You can also control the volume with your device. And here are the 2 speakers, and then you got the tweeters. And this is what it looks like at the bottom. You do get some rubber feet from it moving around. And this is what it looks like on the side and in the back. So when it's blowing heavy bass, you'll feel a lot of air coming out of here. And then you get a nice little hand strap. So we're going to turn it on, and then you'll see the lights start to flash. So now that you see the lights that are on, you have to hold it down for them to turn on. You want to turn them off, you push it down again. And then you can hear the volume. It has like a little beeping sound every time you turn the volume up or turn the volume down. So it is recommended turning this one up to the highest one and then just control it by your device, like your phone or your tablet or whatever you're running it. So you just hold down, and you have 3 little buttons here at the top, the light up display. Those are basically telling you the level of the battery. So when I opened this out of the box, it was automatically 2 of the ones connected. So it had 2, basically 75%. So now to pair your phone, you'll want to hold down the menu button until you see the Bluetooth light right here flashing. So once it starts flashing, you will go on your device and you'll pair it with, it's called W. King. So now you want to, so now audio sound, I'm going to test my video on my YouTube channel so you can hear what it sounds like. So if you want to hear different audios from music, go ahead and click on the link in the description below, as the music is copyrighted. So go ahead and check out that link below. Alright, so right here we have the iPhone. So now by testing the audio, you can hear that it is super loud. It does have super bass. In fact, that this table was shaking. So with this portable loudspeaker with your professional sounds, it sounds super fantastic. It does have an 80-watt high power at 105 decibel, which has a huge sound. Total of 80 watt of the output. It's got THC, harmonic distortion rate was less than 1% with 105 decibels. It has low wind noise, introverted tube design. It's effortlessly broadened and scenes the low frequency volume, making the bass reproductions richer, making it sound super fantastic. Like I said, that my table was shaking and part of my floor was shaking because it is super loud. It is a really nice speaker for the size that it is. And it is, especially if you're outside having a party, I would highly recommend this speaker. You will absolutely love it, especially when you get it home and you can hear the rich bass of it. Even though recording it doesn't give just to the bass, I would definitely say go ahead and check this one out.